144,740, 144,740. This order shipped on November 14, 19, 144,740. It's an empty order, and the order is complete. We need two-way 6782 empty, two-way 67, 1 and 2, two-way with top cap, empty in color, 62 inches long. 1 and 2 two-way bases in MT. 2 3-way 6782 MT. 2 3-way 1 2 3-way empty in color, 62 inches. And here we have 1 and 2 3-way bases in MT. 2 PTP 57. 1 and 2 PTP 57 inches. Can set a 2BU 6. We have here 5 plus 1 is 6. Can set a 2BU. And to finish flat bracket 2x3, we need 4 flat brackets. 1 2 3 4. That's all. Order 144,740.